It's never any fun when the lights go out, but that's especially true at this time of the year. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about getting prepared for a power outage right after this.
Regardless of your skill level in home repair or woodworking, you want a glue that you can trust, because a glue that doesn't work can ruin any project in a hurry. Fortunately, Titebond has the glue you need to get the job done with confidence. From interior glues with strong initial tack and short clamp times, to exterior glues with exceptional strength and water resistance, look to Titebond for the right glue for your next project. For more information, visit Titebond.com or see them on Facebook.
Whether it's an ice storm, snowstorm, or a rolling blackout that leaves you in the dark, you need to be prepared for a loss of power. So now is the time to put together a power outage survival kit. Flashlights and extra batteries are a must, and while candles provide light for long periods of time, so do battery-powered lanterns, and they're much safer. Include a few tools like pliers, screwdrivers, and an adjustable wrench, and be sure you have some duct tape, a utility knife, and a long butane lighter to relight pilot lights. If you have a portable generator, be sure you can get to it easily. You have plenty of fuel, and that there are some heavy gauge extension cords close by so you can get that power into the house. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner.